Limpy, when your first pass on a race, I'm ready to see you draw the person. I know somebody ready to. Oh, dude, I just drew Limpy, dude. I'm gonna get the race an all-time great.
I don't know. I've got appearances for the next month, so I gotta be gone for the next month. So hopefully,
shit, busy until through October.
Yeah, I think I got one weekend off until October or November.
Did you? Oh snap! I got something y'all probably ain't seen.
Oh what?
What?
Let me see if you seen this lady right here. They can see that. Let me see. Oh, ain't no way I can show you.
Hold on, we can bring it up.
It is. Oh shit! What? Okay, look, this lady. They can see that. Watch this. Oh boy. Hey.
Oh, she was pissed. Look at her. Look right there. She's saying, "What the fuck?"
Yeah.
That was the exact word she was thinking.
Boy, that was a funny shot, man. He said, "Oh boy."
Damn.
Golly.
That's good shit, man.
Hey, I figure y'all ain't seen it.
Oh, the Stone Vet.
Yeah.
Yeah, her name was Karen.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Probably so.
We got Karen at the starting line.
The glasses
434 dispatch. I smell weed.
Yeah. Security. You ready to call it? 434 dispatch. I smell weed.
So when you gonna try and add a Mustang out there?
Couple
weeks.
I just bought the head gaskets today. I'm gonna have to get yourself? Me some help, man, because they're taking that supercharge off all them bolts and stuff, man. I need some help. So I'm gonna call. I ain't taking my shit to no shop no more. They bullshit. And they think I got a whole bunch of fucking money. I don't even got that fucking much. They just keep wanting me to come back. I might as well fuck it up myself.
Hey, that's the only way to learn too.
Yeah, I'm gonna learn. I learned my lesson. I ain't going. Y'all ain't getting no more of this.
Yep. That's the only way to learn. You can watch everything on YouTube. The correct way to torque it down.
I got some Milwaukee. Yep. I put that electric ratchet to work. I got some batteries. I'm finna work.
Get you a good torque wrench.
When you go to 110, it's 100 right now outside.
Yeah. It's too damn hot, man.
I'm gonna have to put an AC in my garage. I'm gonna cut my dough.
Yep.
I'm gonna cut the dough.
For damn sure. Yeah, I'm anxious to see that car out and running.
Me too, man. I've been trying to be patient with it because it's been costing so much, and then it's been feeling like problem after problem. And they've been, do the thermostat. Oh, it's an air pocket. Oh, it's the fan. Oh, it's the relay. Oh, it's the, after you keep fending, like, it's the transmission. It's leaking. $40 more. You're a quarter and a half short. God damn. You leaving me with a goddamn problem, like.
Yep. That's fucked up.
After feeling all that shit just at one time, and I'm thinking in my mind, I should have parked in the garage. All right. And I decided, let me go and get it ready. And boom, I spent bands and went through all that shit. Man, calm down. Let me calm down.
Yeah.
Let me let this shit. I told him somebody asked me, when you bringing the Mustang out? Man, I'm still licking my wounds.
Yeah.
Still licking them. Hold on.
That's a fact.
Yeah, and get it right. You know what I mean? Just get it right.
Yeah, I gotta get it right. Got to.
That small block?
Yeah. Small block.
Small block, big block.
Yeah. I like small blocks. A stroker sometimes.
Yeah.
Work with old
aftermarket heads.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stock heads with some springs will do for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little small block. LS motor. These new LTs.
I like the built rear end though.
Oh man. Ain't nothing like a 12 bolt Moser.
Man, that built rear end the other night was right.
Aftermarket rear end.
That thing was right. It had good axles and every shit.
They had one that goddamn East Summit. It was G-body, man. I'm telling you, that thing there got the axles, the struts, shocks, All of what you need to go fast.
That one at the gut the other night was right.
Yeah. Got everything you need to go fast.
I guarantee you. Oh shit!
I asked Caleb. I said, Caleb, small block or big block? Oh, small block. I said, is it an aftermarket block? Oh yeah, aftermarket headers and everything. Come on, yes, she lying. She lying. Trick flows. She got
trick flows. That's a fact right there. That's a fact right there.
Yeah.
Damn, man.
You got them trick flows, man. God damn.
That's funny as fuck, man.
But I still been having fun in the mug at the track, man. They been trying to stop it, but hey, I've been having fun in the mug. A car had caught on fire.
Yeah.
A car caught on fire. I walked all the way down there, and as soon as I get all the way down there, it was at the end of the track. And the security, he stopped me. Yeah, you can't come over here. Whoop the whoop. I was like, all right, that's cool, man. I don't want no problems. We're not gonna have none if you don't if you let me. I said, have a good day. I can have one if you let me. I said, I'm gonna let you because I don't want zero problems. I want zero problems. So I'm walking back down the track. They passed me up with the four-wheeler. Somebody give me some steak. I started walking down some more. Then they started talking about, they come back and get me. Yeah, I said, before they come, I said, they better not say they waiting on me. They come right down the track, pick me up. Yeah, man, everyone's waiting on you. Look at this shit. I told y'all, I'm glad I be live and able to catch their ass. And then we get down there, they ain't waiting on me. I just set up, started eating the steak, shared the steak and everything. 4 minutes later, it's all on video, man. I'm like, these people. These people. It was funny.
You know, though, I don't think the gut would have look at all kinds of a Simba.
Oh, that's the one with the small block.
Yeah, the small block.
You get trick flow heads.
Yeah.
I like that one.
Yeah.
I think that's the one I was liking there.
I got, man, I got some more footage of that small block. I got some more footage. Toluco, he don't like her. One of my subscribers.
You know, I don't think the gut would have the name that it's got, or people would know about it near as much as if it wasn't for you.
Man,
you know what I mean? Like, you brought that track out.
Yeah, what they say to override that, I already done heard what they say to override. They always say the other streamer that's up there always. There you go, Toluco.
Shit. Bullshit.
He's talking about, hey.
Well, he's got a nice ass in.
What?
Yeah, no shit.
That's all he always say.
My dude's got a hell of an ass.
Why he say that? I don't know why he be saying that.